Hello guys, welcome to this short tutorial in which I want to show you how to assign any working button of your Android phone to be a PTT for your Zello application. So in this case, I have here an up and down volume control for my Android phone. I want to use the down volume control to be the PTT for my Zello. So this one here, yeah, right now it is not mapped. So how to map this is by going to the option or configuration of your Zello. These three buttons here on the upper right side of your screen, and go to options, then go to push to talk button, and now you will see these options here, and on the lower right side you will find the plus sign here. I'm not sure if you can see this. Yeah, yep. Oops, yeah, this one. So just press that plus sign button, and this screen will appear. Press now. So I will press down button here. Okay, now volume down button is added here as a PTT button for your Zello. Now let's go back to the application itself. Now I'm using Echo channel to test the PTT button on the side of this Android phone, so that it will act like a normal radio. I'm pressing it now. Okay, testing 1 2 3, testing 1 2 3. Now the upper button still works as a normal, but the lower button will be working as the PTT for the Zello. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. 5 5 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, so hope guys you enjoy this short tutorial and enjoy your Zello PTT application. Thank you.